Question 13 children, exercise question 13, in which we are going to draw revaluation account and partners capital account and balance sheet. In this question, we are going to draw three accounts, that is revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. So first, as we have drawn only revaluation account, in the same way we are going to draw revaluation account. So on credit side, as you know, all the assets increases and liability decreases and outstanding income we are writing. So I have written land and building has to be increased by 10%. Is to be increased by 10%. So value of land and building is given 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 in the balance sheet we have to increase 10%. So 10% will be 14,000. In the same way, the BDR 1,000 is not required. Value of machine and furniture is to be reduced by 40%. So is to be reduced means assets decreases. So 40% we are going to reduce of the value of the machinery and furniture, both 40% we are going to reduce. The second effect also children I will show you, that is second effect we will write in the balance sheet, land and building which is given in the old balance sheet 1,40,000 and increase 10%, that is 14,000. So both we will add and we will write 1,54,000. In the same way, machine and furniture we are going to reduce. So in old balance sheet, machine was 80,000 and 40% reduced means 32,000 you will get in the new balance sheet after revaluation. और revaluation के बाद का balance sheet, that is increase and decrease in assets and liability we have done. After that, what will be our new balance sheet for the new firm which we are going to reconstruct. Okay, so this is furniture decrease again 40%, you will get 18,000. In the same way, investment children, they have given direct value in the balance sheet, market value. We are going to look market value, present value, today's value. It is not given in the adjustment. It is given in the balance sheet itself. So what is the market value today? 18,000. But in old balance sheet they have given 20,000. So what it shows, book value is 20,000 and market value is 18,000. So how much is the reduction? How much is the decrease? 2,000. So revaluation, debit side I have written 2,000. In the same way, repairing charges for stock is required. Repairing charges means I told you it is the reduce in the value of stock. So repairing charges is the reduce in the value of stock. So stock is an asset. So asset decreases. So we are writing on the debit side. The next one is creditors 1,500 not required. So creditors are liability. Not required means liability reduces. And liability reduces means we have to write on the credit side. Liability reduce. Second effect will be in the balance sheet, creditors 32,000 is given in the balance sheet and 50 we will reduce. So you will get 30,500. The next adjustment is given. Investments are shown in the value. Okay. So this is all about the adjustments. After writing all increase and decrease, we will do the total. While doing the total, I came to know that debit side is more. 57,500 debit side is more. And credit side, when I subtract, you will get 39,000 as the difference amount. And children, this difference amount I got on the credit side. So it is a loss. So by loss, transfer to capital account. So this 39,000 you are going to break into 5:3 ratio. Your old P&L ratio is 5:3, means 5/8 and 3/8. So when you do 5/8 and 3/8 of 39,000, you will get 24,300. 14,625, which is revaluation loss. And this revaluation loss you are transferred to partner's capital account. This you have written on the credit side. So when you transfer, you will write on the debit side. And suppose if it is profit, then you will get here. So you will transfer on the opposite side, on the credit side. Okay. So this two I have put an arrow, you will transfer them. So this is the second effect. Now partner's capital account. In partner's capital account, we will write first by balance brought down. Always. By balance brought down means what? Balance sheet capital. Balance sheet is given to you. In that, capital is also given. That capital you will write 80,000 and 50,000. Then, as we have done, reserves and profit are to be distributed. So, general reserve. General reserve, which is given in the old balance sheet, 80,000, we are going to distribute in the ratio of 5:3. Everything in the old ratio, 5:3. Then, by profit. By profit, by P&L, it is also given in the balance sheet. It is given in the balance sheet. Okay, we are going to distribute in 5:3. So when P&L is given in the old balance sheet on the liability side, then it is profit. But if profit and loss is given on the asset side, it is loss. So we know how to distribute. Profit is here. Always. Profit is distributed in the capital. Just now we have written the journal entry. So in case in exam if they ask you journal entry, we will able to write. This is capital credit side. So what you will write? Profit and loss account debit to partner's capital. Sajan and Will. So here with the help of posting, you are able to write the journal entry also, which is known as, suppose this is a loss. So where it is written? Partner's capital debit side. So what you will write here? Profit and loss account debit to partner's capital. It is a loss, so loss will reduce the capital. So partner's capital account debit side. So what you will write? Partner's capital account debit to profit and loss account. To loss account. So with the help of this posting, you will be able to write the journal entry. Okay. So first entry balance brought down. Second entry general reserve, which is given in the old balance sheet. Workman accident fund and all is not given, so not to distribute. Profit and loss is given. This is profit. So you will distribute here in 5:3 ratio. Your revaluation loss you will bring down. Now you will do the total of Sajan 1,60,000, Nirvi 98,000. From this you will minus this loss. You will subtract. After subtracting, you will get this question mark. 1,35,625 and 83,375. Two balance carried forward. And this balance carried forward will be the difference amount. I have put the question mark. Then total both the sides. Now this balance carried forward will be balance brought down for next year. That is next coming year. So this is ledger and posting what we have done in that same way. Now this balance carried forward you are going to write as capital in the balance sheet. This balance carried forward is the new capital. After giving the effect of profit, reserve, minus loss, everything, we will get, partners will get this much new capital in the new balance sheet. So this is from this. This is from this capital. And this will be the total year. Now 12% loan is liability, 70,000, creditor reduced 30,500, bills payable. You have to just copy from the old balance sheet. If nothing is told, the things which are left out, which is not added in the adjustment, will be returned as it is. Outstanding expense as 10,000, which I have written here, outstanding expense. Outstanding income is 1. Okay, so this is cash balance we write as an asset. So this is cash and bank balance. So you have to do the total of the balance sheet and get the total equal. So this is all about question 13. Now children, your homework is question 14. Your homework is question 14. Your today's homework is question 14. In question 14, revaluation account is given ready-made, so we don't have to draw. If it is this side, here you have to add. If it is this side, there you have to minus. So revaluation account is given ready-made to you, and you have to draw partner's capital account and balance sheet. You will be able to draw the same method, only revaluation is given ready. So this side is plus, asset plus, liability minus. This side asset minus, liability plus. Outstanding expense, liability. Outstanding income on the asset side. So question 14 will be your homework, and that is the end of this chapter. From this chapter, from exam point of view, sacrifice and gain ratio is asked. And revaluation, partner's capital and balance sheet, we will continue in the admission and retirement chapter. So from this chapter, sacrifice ratio, gain ratio, and accumulation and distribution of profit and reserve. These 2 questions are asked in the board exam. So 14th question you will be able to do. In 14th question only, the thing which you will have little problem, that is debtors. And debtors is 80,000 and the bad debts is 4,000. So you will get here 76 and BDR. And BDR will be your 16,000. Only this you will have little doubt. Baki the remaining you will be able to work out. So this is your homework. So all will do this homework and learn sacrifice ratio, gain ratio, and reserve distribution of profit and reserves. So this is all about this chapter. We will start admission of the partner in the next class. Thank you very much. Do the practice, illustration practice and this. So when your capital, revaluation capital and balance sheet is perfect, it will help you in the admission chapter. In admission and retirement chapter, all these same 3 accounts will be repeated again. So don't waste your time. Do this homework. This I worked out, and from this chapter, these 3 topics. Thank you very much.